This is Mercury's new VesselView mobile phone app. When you get the system itself, it comes with a module that you attach to your engine. All you do is plug in a port and zip tie it to the engine itself. It takes about 5 minutes. And then download the app itself from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. And essentially open it up, and you get all kinds of information with this app. It'll tell you things like when you should maintain your engine. You can set it up to your boat to the exact amount of gas you have in. So when you fill it with gas and you check it out, it'll tell you how much gas it has in. Records things like top speed. If you want to share that on social media, it even allows you to do that. There's all kinds of features. But one of the features that I really like, let's say you're going out boating for the weekend with your family. You're really looking forward to this trip. But on your first day on the water, your engine starts beeping. Something's wrong with it. Now, we'd all like to think that would never happen, right? But reality is such that that could occur. And now you're looking at all this time that you spent looking forward to your weekend, and your engine is beeping. What do? Well, you can go right into your phone app, into VesselView Mobile, and you can hit this button called Faults. And then if you hit Observed Faults, it'll come up with the fault itself. Now you can see I've got like 103 hours on this engine. Another thing VesselView Mobile tells you, I've not had any faults. So the engine has been running flawlessly for me all year long. But if something would come up, it would show up right here. It would show up on the screen. And then it'll tell you about the fault. It'll say what's wrong. It can tell you sometimes if it's easy to fix. You might not understand what it tells you. So let's go into the app, and under the accounts and privacy part, there is a subject or a heading line called Preferred Dealer. Now I set up as my preferred dealer Sportamotive in Appleton. I like that dealership. They always help me out. They're super informative. And then on the bottom of this part, it says share vessel data and contact me, and I turned that on. I said yes. So if I'm on the water, let's go back to that same situation, and my engine's beeping and I don't know what's going on. I hit my phone button here. It'll call the dealership up on your cell phone, and you can talk with the mechanic there, and they can actually read the information on your phone, and maybe it's something simple that you can fix right there out on the water, and he can walk you right through it. Maybe it's something that's fairly simple that could be fixed right in that area and not ruin your whole weekend. Or maybe it is something major that needs more attention. But they can help you out. Now, to me, that's quite the service. In the world where people always complain about customer service, to me this is the ultimate in customer service. And in the technological world of phones today, I don't think it could get much easier.